In order to help us spread the message about our Flex CNC, we're headed to IMTS, the International Manufacturing Technology Show. We're going to be running a huge machine special and offering big year-end discounts to help our customers buy the Flex CNC easier than ever before with zero headaches. We want to improve your manufacturing capabilities, partner with us to help you grow, see how we're changing CNC machining and offering the largest, most flexible, best price CNC machine on the market. Flex CNC has big machine beds and even bigger goals. We want to help every fabrication and machine shop in North America. With our machine, because we're offering great CNC solutions, we're helping shops improve efficiency and make more money. We're passionate about solving problems and building machine tools that will improve your bottom line. We know we build the best machine tools on the planet, and now you can get the Flex CNC, a 25-foot long vertical machining center for less than $200,000, turnkey, delivered to your door, including training and everything else you need to get started. We want to help every fabrication and machine shop in North America. Don't be limited by a small machine bed. Size matters. Look us up at IMTS and we'll see you there.